guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so we're going to read chapter 17 of My Wife. Nod repeatedly. O, diba? Inaano siya, mataas ang tingin sa kanya nung may-ari ng rejuvenation hall. Sorry for troubling you. It's nothing. When the time comes, I will arrange for someone to bring Mr. Shaw over. On the same page, exchanging smile. Matalino talaga tong doktor na to. No? Kasi nagagawa niya talagang paraan para maligtas si Liu Liang. You, aunt, good morning. Damay pa tong dalawang sito, for sure. Oh, good morning. Where are you going this early, Zhao? Zhao ba pagbasa niyan? Basahin yung pagbasa ko ha. Depende na lang sa inyo paano niyo babasahin niya. I'm going to gather some herbs on the mountain and sell them in town. Can I come with you, Zhao? Zhao ba yan, Jiao? You can't gather much on your own. Can you let me help you gather? Talaga, napaka-duplikara talaga ng mukhang tono. Yan talaga minsan yung mga ano. Hindi ko maintindihan yung style ng ano kasi. Ng, tawag nito? Concubine something. Paano basahin? Anong pangalan? The last time when I asked her for money, I saw her buy so many things. But Little Brot probably made quite a bit of money by selling herbs. Very well, I'm joining as well. If you teach others how to gather herbs in the mountain, there won't be any left for you to gather in the future. As if naman marunong sila mag-gather, di ba? Pakinggan ko nga kung paano babasahin to.
Zhao.
Zhao nga.
Zhao.
Tama ako. Zhao. Whatever. Zhao, which way are you going? This way. It has nothing to do with me anyway. Qingquan Town. Qingquan Town. Can this really be sold for money? Don't worry. Those are bestsellers. Oo, yung mushrooms. Kahit ganito gusto ko din ng mushrooms eh. Is that real little rascal playing games with us? No, let's follow her. Sir, may I ask? Once we identify which mountain herbs are valuable, we'll give her a piece of your mind. Our mind pala. Ito ba talaga nitong Dalawang asawa to, di ba? Dalawang wives ng daddy niya. Those mountain herbs are priced at high level in the Eastern market. Let's go there to sell. Diba? Alam ko may plano tong babaeng to. Right, whatever you say. Kung cunning tong mas cunning itong si Zhao. Zhao, this isn't the way to the market, is it? I believe this is the place I saw in my dream. What's the matter? She paused. He's coming. Who's coming? Sino yan? Parang alam na alam talaga niya, no? Oo nga naman, na-dream, napanaginipan naman niya to kagabi, kaya for sure alam na niya yung details. The thief who stole the official's money and the letter. Sabi ko nga. Causing Liu Lang to be falsely accused, I'll catch you and bring you to justice. Siya namang huli na lang niya, sa bagay kung sabi niya sa pulis eh. Pag-iisipan din siya, di ba? Paano niya nalaman? Brat, get out of my way. O, di. Nahulog lahat ng dala niya. Mga pera tsaka letter. Letter yung ganyan, di ba? Clang. That much money. O, yung mga mukhang pera ng mga, niya, mga auntie niya. You wanna run? Stop right there. Hinabol niya. O, yung dalawa, nagagawan sa pera. Mukhang pera talaga tong dalawang to. Go away. I saw them first. These are all mine. O, diba, hindi na lang talaga naghati. Nagagawan pa. All this money should be used to support my dashun. What do you need them for? Gimme! O, diba? Nag-away pa sila. Nag-away sila para lang sa pera. Library. The manager is not here. Could you wait in the accounting room on the second floor for a moment? Alright, I'll wait upstairs. Lo, ayan na, yung pupunta siya sa taas. Wait a moment. Mr. Shao, please wait. Servant of the Rejuvenation Hall. Rejuvenation Hall. Hindi ako nabubulol. You are the You are the Rejuvenation Halls. Here's the thing. Last time, I accidentally gave you a few wrong prescriptions. Oh no. And Mr. Wang asked me to find you to come with me to Rejuvenation Hall to get the medicine. O, diba? Ganda ng alibi nila. Hindi talaga siya magtataka. At hindi siya sasama. Why do you have to run into that annoying little cripple again? Mr. Shao, that's why. I'll go upstairs and see what kind of tricks he's up to. O, siyang makakapunta sa second floor. Buti nga sa kanya. Yeah! Tianxiang Academy. Noisy. Did you hear? There was a TAF in the study. The TAF is a new student in our academy top class. A new student in the top class? What's his name? Di ba? Machismoso din to eh. Mga scholar pero mga chismoso. Good Ashin. Tagam ni mo boy. Labtanon man kay ka. It's a misunderstanding. I didn't steal any official money or letters. Misunderstanding ka ngayon. On what grounds are you arresting me? Tagirm. Buti nga sa'yo, napaka-epal mo kasi. Someone saw you go up to the second floor with their own eyes. And during the time, only you went up to the second floor. If it weren't you, then who could it be? Tagim, 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 tagim. Si Liu lang, takan naman siya. I would have gone to the second floor if it hadn't been for the servant from the Rejuvenation Hall who came to get me. Matalino to siya eh. Alam ko mapipipinpoint niya tinto. Kaya lang nagtataka lang talaga siya. Paano nangyari? It really wasn't me. A master asked me to pick out a few books and bring them up to him. He said he wanted to discuss poetry and philosophy with me. Which master did you see it? Nope, I didn't. Gawa-gawa ka pa story. I think you're just looking for an excuse to clear your name, aren't you? How could a master have a discussion with someone so poor and shabby? Tagirm. The money may not matter, but the letters and the package must be returned. Otherwise, I will have you sent to the government office. Victim, Mr. Prince Servant. Wala, joke ka. Lagot ka, boy. Officer, it's a misunderstanding. These two individuals look suspicious in the market. During the search, it was discovered that they had official money belonging to the victim on them. I found that money. I'm not a thief. Mama niyang yang auntie. That's right, Gu Zhao. She can't testify. She was the one who knocked down the chief's package. Gu Zhao, could it be her as well this time? It's all Gu Zhao's fault. She insisted on chasing after the thief and knocked the things down on the ground for us to pick up. Officer, she framed us and set us up. Ano naman, gawa-gawa mo na naman. Ay, nako talaga. Who would believe your nonsense? That Gu Zhao is known as a fool in our village. Nagamit niya yung pagiging siraulo niya sa village. Would a fool purposefully plan something to frame you? Wala talaga kayo magagawa. That one is lying by saying he was meeting a master. Then these two are accusing a fool of framing them. I think you're all working together. Nasipaan. A student named Gu Dashun from Tianxing Academy stole the official money and the victim is sorry after. His mother and Lady Zhu and his aunt Lady Liu were caught trying to share the stolen goods. Taga. When they were apprehended, they denied any involvement in the theft and began to twist the truth and confuse right and wrong in the public. They were taken to the county government office and imprisoned for questioning. Buti nga sa inyo. karma hits you. All right, that's the end of the chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next chapter, guys. Bye bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone.